People take action because of the fear of loss a lot more often than they take action from a positive impulse. Research shows that for most people, the pain of losing something, your laptop, money, a basketball game, or something even more subtle, like time and energy, is felt twice as intensely as the pleasure of an equal gain. And for most people, they can remember their losses a lot more vividly than they remember their wins. So as a marketer, why should you care? Watch and learn how to harness this incredible first principle, or skip this video and lose customers and money. Your choice. This fear-based phenomenon is called loss aversion, which is the psychological principle that makes limited time offers and scarcity tactics like get it while supplies last so successful in marketing. The best marketing elicits an emotional response. And as it turns out, after 300,000 years of human evolution, the fear reflex still outweighs the pleasure response. That's why this tactic is turned to so often in marketing. It's a lot easier to get people bought in emotionally to fear. The reason is simple. Things that cause you pain, or even evoke the idea of pain, need to be fixed. Feeling lonely, overweight, poor, or sad, that's what drives you to take action. But things that might give you more happiness can simply be assuaged through the power of the mind. If you've ever made a regrettable decision because of FOMO, you've experienced how loss aversion can be powerful enough to override your judgment and influence your actions firsthand. Now, on the flip side, studies show that positive ideation is much less powerful when it comes to creating action. For instance, it's been shown that our brains receive the same chemical rewards when we talk about the things we want to accomplish in life, like getting an MBA or buying a house, as they do when we actually accomplish those things. It turns out that when you're focused on positives, daydreaming can be as powerful as actually doing, and that makes them a less effective marketing tool. As uncomfortable as it is, pain ultimately drives action. This is why you constantly have to look at your customers' pain points and tap into them for higher conversions. But how? Don't make the mistake of assuming that knowing what your product's unique selling proposition is the same as knowing what your customers' biggest pain points are. To dial that in, you need to perform audience research, and AI can make dialing in those pain points much simpler. Take the case of True Classics, the men's t-shirt giant. True Classics shirts are specifically designed to highlight the arms while minimizing the waist. Their products were designed with the knowledge that there was a potentially huge market for clothing that could address men's core body image issues. But their marketing geared towards minimizing problem areas wasn't resonating with millennials as well as it was with older Gen X customers. So they scraped customer reviews, subreddits, search engine queries, and other zero-party data to answer the core pain point question. How do millennial men feel about their bodies? With the help of natural language AI models that could summarize the vast number of stories they collected from real people, they arrived at a surprising answer. Millennials didn't feel self-conscious about their bodies the way many Gen X men did. They felt anxious about their bodies. Understanding that subtle difference allowed True Classics to fine-tune some of their marketing to address millennials' actual pain points. And they shifted from a focus on hiding problem areas to the idea that their shirts make men look strong. Using tools like Reddit, SparkToro, Answer the Public, and ChatGPT, you can perform this exact type of research yourself. But if you want help from experts who know exactly how to uncover your customers' pain points and develop effective marketing strategies to boost your sales, visit p3media.com.